Hello my loves, Ascend here coming at you with another video. And in this video I'm going to give you my top 4 side hustles that I feel like every cosmetologist should be into. This video is being sponsored by Skillshare. So if you want to support your girl, you know, go ahead and click the links in the description box below, because you know I get a little commission when you do. Let's talk a little bit about Skillshare. Now lately I've been taking this course by Chanel Hayes, and it's so amazing on content calendars and course creation. This is taking my creation to the next level. So if you want to take advantage of Skillshare, make sure you click the links in the description box below, and the first 1,000 people to click that link will get a free 30-day trial. Before we get started, make sure you go ahead and subscribe here to my channel and then click that bell notification so you're notified every single time I post another video. Number one, the first thing that I really recommend that you have is online courses or ebooks. Ebooks are an amazing way to have that bond with your clients, because everyone's clients either come once a week, every 2 weeks, every 3 weeks, every 4 weeks, or maybe every 3 to 4 months. But everyone needs something to do in between. So it will be such an amazing idea for you to make that a part of your business, where every client that is booking an appointment online, which is really easy to do, video coming very soon. If your clients are booking appointments online, it is very easy for you to send them an automatic email that includes a small PDF. Now, this first small PDF will be free. Let's say it's about 2 or 3 pages, and think about what are the questions that your clients ask you the most. So for example, let's say that you are a silk press artist and your clients are like, oh, how do I wrap my hair up at night? So when your clients book an appointment with you, you can have the system set up to send them a small, maybe 5-page ebook that is telling them and teaching them step by step how to wrap their hair at night, what products to use, what not to use, what scarves and brushes to use, what scarves and brushes not to use. That ebook can be included in the automatic system. So when your clients are automatically getting something that is of really great value to them without you even asking for it, anything that you produce after that will help. And especially in the time that we're living in now, if you have different resources, like coming into the hair industry, we're like, okay, if we're not doing hair with our hands, we're not making money. But if you have something else to present to your clients, then you are making money when your hands are not moving. You can have like a $10 ebook, a $5 ebook, a $20 ebook, depending on what the problem is that you are solving. Okay, that is a really good thing to do, and it's super easy, because then it won't be like, oh my god, what, she's selling ebooks, what does that mean? Your clients will be used to that. So when they first meet you, the first time somebody sits in your chair, you're not just a hairstylist, you're a hairstylist and an educator and an author already. Number 2 is really dive into different classes. If you begin to go to different things, like, you know, Skillshare, the first thing that you should look for are classes that jump out at your profession. This is whether you're a hairstylist, whatever your profession is. What are different topics or subjects that you can integrate into your business? Because at the end of the day, anything that was created is really just a whole bunch of pieces put together and molded into something that you can create as yours. I don't know what happened, but number 3, educate yourself. Most people think that once they go to cosmetology school, they'll be equipped with everything that they need to reach 6 figures, and that could not be further from the truth. Yeah, you may have what it takes to create a viral video, but something going viral means absolutely nothing. How many people have you guys seen that go viral and then you never hear from them again? How many? I'll wait. consulting and coaching. So as a cosmetologist, not only can you use your hands, but you can also use your education and your mind. There are a lot of different people in a lot of different countries that do not have access to certain hairstylists, whether they're other black hairstylists or people with curly hair, people with straight hair. There are so many different people that are in areas where they know no one and they don't have any type of counsel. So if you guys just break yourselves out of this like only standing behind the chair box and really start to broaden your horizons and figure out what different points of the cosmetology field that you love that you can take digital, okay? Because there are so many different people searching for hair consultations and looking for people to help them with their hair. I've had clients that wanted me to walk them through just washing their hair or just detangling their hair with oil. There are so many different types of education. As a licensed cosmetologist, you're really educating yourself. You can also teach classes. Once you become educated and you have proof that your tactics work, you can then sell those tactics. So if you've mastered any portion of the hair industry or any portion of the hair industry, whether it's ebooks, whether it's online learning, whether it's silk presses, blow drying, nails, anything that you have mastered, you can break down and put a price on it and sell it, because everyone is looking to further their education after cosmetology school. So if you have some form of education that you can implement and help people with, them, baby, do it. Next, wigs and extensions. Even though a lot of people don't like wigs and extensions, it is a thing. Women are into it. This wig that I have on right now, yes, this is a wig. These are not braids. Yeah, so this is a business all within itself. If you are a licensed cosmetologist and you do nails, oh my god, like making press on nails is, let me show you. So if you are a nail tech or a cosmetologist, because as a cosmetologist you could do nails too, and let's say that maybe stuff is going down low or your clients aren't booking the same, people are making so much money selling press on nails. You can, I'm gonna leave a couple of links in the description box below so you guys can go check out a couple of videos or people teaching you how to make your own press on nails. I'm not gonna teach you how to do that because I'm not a nail tech. That's not my thing. But these nails that I have on right now, press-ons, okay? These nails that are in here, press-ons, okay? These nails that are in here, press-ons, okay? These nails that are in here, press-ons. All three of these press-on nails. So if you're a nail tech and you take the time, or maybe you're not necessarily a nail tech but you did nails previously, or you're a cosmo that never really has time to do nails and now you see that, you know, maybe business is dropping a little bit, then the first thing you need to do is start selling your brand. Like, sell your products, you guys. You can make these your freaking self and sell these on Amazon, on Etsy, on so many different forms. I want you guys to all really get a journal and sit down and start taking notes and figure out which part of your brain you can sell, because at the end of the day, knowledge has a price. And if you figure out what your strengths and weaknesses are and everything else that we talked about, you can make a lot of money. And the great part about this is something that you create and something that you make people fall in love with based on relationship and so many other things will stand the test of time no matter what. I'm so excited for you guys to get started with this. These are just 4 things that you can do. There are so many other things, but I didn't know if you would be interested in this. So if you want a part 2, then let me know in the comments below, and let me know if you would want me to go deeper into one of these things like by itself. I love you guys so much, and until my next video, bye-bye. Make sure that if you have not done so already, you check out everything over there on Skillshare, because It's a ball, and you're gonna be smart when you get done.